What's up, guys? Forgot to do an outro after our second day of fishing. It was a lot rougher. The stretch was more like musky territory, a lot of muddy area, a lot of laydowns, but not a lot of smallmouth. I caught a few, but nothing too big. Fortunately, you know, Melissa couldn't hook into a smallmouth. There weren't that many around. Even if they were like really small, maybe less, like, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 inches at most. Caught one decent one, but that was pretty much it for day number 2. We are on the 3rd day of fishing. It is raining. It's supposed to be, I don't know, scattered rain and thunderstorm the late afternoon to evening. It's like mid-afternoon now. It's 1-ish, almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Started off the day pretty late, so I'm gonna head in the water, and then hopefully we'll get Melissa back into some smallmouth action, and we'll see how it goes. Funny story too, I didn't realize it, but I lost my net, so I'm using my buddy's Kong since he left it in my truck. Thanks, Kong. You can try that piece of wood coming up. Throw like 1-2 casts, and then we'll keep going up. So scary. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! That was weird. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Keep going. I don't think that was a fish. Oh no, actually my bait moved. Maybe it was a pike. Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one. I saw your fish. I threw you too. Sorry. You get the next one. Wow. This is a chunk. Oh my gosh. What a bad hook set. Look at that. That's how you lose fish. Picture time. Woo! Football. Awesome. Thank you. Still Melissa's fish. Nice chunk. That smallmouth I caught took a poo-poo on me. Look at that. I think that's a piece of a crawfish here. So my kayak is a little smelly right now. Ugh. Gross. Whew. Alright. All flushed down. Chunk. There we go. Come on, what are you doing? Yes, it's a hook. Little guy.
Yeah, 15, no stop.
Keep it up, pull him up. Pull him up. side here. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Melissa's a little fat, chubby dude. Good job. For some reason, there's always one person. I love that little corner pocket. Yep. Ooh. Do that low. Go to the side, go to the side. Take it out, take him out. Take him out the cover. You're right. Keep your right out. Yeah, take him out the cover. Control, 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 control. Slack, 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 slack. Then hold the spool. Alright, net him. Come on, net your first fish. More slack, more slack.
Oh my god, how do you do this with 2 hands?
Oh, easy, easy. Don't break the rod. Here, I'll do it. Jesus Christ. I do this. I hold like this. I control the spool like this. Just keep that up. Gripping. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3. Little Melissa's little football. Chunky. Woo! Oh yeah. Little guy. Spicy. Little spicy dude. Got one? You pretty big? Don't lose it. Slack. Not too close. You're gonna break the tip. Raise him up. Hey.
Not too small.
Fat little dude. There's Melissa's. You release it. He's like, what?
Wow, so damn rude.
You refuse to listen to what I said at all.
What's your Digimon watching that? She's watching it, you know. You don't play that.
Digimon! Oh my gosh! Woo! That's a big one. Yes, $500.
You know, $500. That's my fish anyway. That's my pole.
You didn't want to use it no more. Mosquito. Woo! Look at this beautiful chunk. 3 1/4. Thank you, bass. Right here. Horrible cat. Come on, bring it back, bring it back. Just bring it back. Just bring it back, Jesus. There, whip it.
Okay, leg drop, leg drop. Yeah, feel the bottom, we're gonna float down, so you can feel it. Keep your slack in. Tighten your line up, then slowly drag it. You should feel the bottom. And reel the bag. Do the same thing. Nothing, just reset again. Oh, you got a picture? Bring it big guy.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Oh, that's a horrible hook set. Hope you don't lose it. Oh my god. Bring your line up. Bring up, bring up, bring up. Slack, slack. You said no. I'm like, are you sure? I see your line moving. Wow, what a chunk.
Very fish.
Wow.
Done.
This is a safe fish, I hope not.
They're the same fish.
I think mine was, ooh, that was a horrible hook set, but you hooked him really good. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hold it. I got it.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna release it from Melissa.
Wow.
Okay, you happy now?
Alright guys, that is a wrap for today. Rain is coming back down. We're gonna finish the day off with Melissa's nice smallmouth that she just caught. It was a funny, you know, teach them how to fish moment, but definitely really fun. I think that was her first fish, or maybe second fish on the jig. So not the best hook set, but luckily, you know, it hooked on the side. There she goes. What a trooper. Huge props to her. She spent 3 days fishing with me, 3 straight days of fishing. Second day was rough for her, but today we definitely, I think we definitely made up for it. So I'm gonna paddle back and catch up with her, and we're gonna pack up, go home, and grab something warm to eat. Happy J4, everybody. Hope you guys had a good J4. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys again. Peace out.
Ayo, Chang, you made this?